This video is about the Kreg precision router table that I made a cabinet for, and what you can see is a design that's is around the internet, and there are several YouTube videos that has similar patterns of this design. It's basically a plywood cabinet made of oak plywood that's fitted through the back, so it fits around the router. So the cabinet is built and is slotted from the back of the table to go around the router, and then in the front the design is really fixed, so you have a drawer at the bottom and two drawers on the side, and what appears like a drawer in the middle, but it's not a drawer. The drawers are made of a standard plywood construction. The bottom of this drawer is a 3/4 plywood to allow for any heavy weights, and the trim is made of mahogany and on a retracting self-closing slides. On the sides here there are the narrow drawers, and there is no choice about these narrow drawers since they cannot have slides, otherwise there will be not enough room, but they are self-supporting because they are fairly deep, and there's enough height in them to allow a second layer underneath, and the same goes here, and there's also enough height to have another compartment underneath the first one. In the middle, this is just a dummy drawer that would come out all together, and underneath you can see the router space, and that's where the dust will be trapped in that section. It can be either suctioned from the front intermittently, or by fitting a hose suction in the back compartment. On the sides we have the commonly used tools hanging on the sides. The hangers are made of the cut ends of a dovetail, and on the other side is just a fixture to wrap the cable around. And this concludes this little adaptation for the Kreg router table. Hopefully it will be useful for someone. Thanks.